Don't compare yourself with anyone in this world. If you do so, you are insulting yourself. I failed in some subjects in exam, but my friend passed in all. Now he is an engineer in Microsoft, and I am the owner of Microsoft. I choose a lazy person to do hard job because a lazy person will find an easy way to do it. If you are born poor, it's not your mistake. But if you die poor, it's your mistake. Your most unhappy customer are your greatest source of learning.